Reba's Reading Treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title, Home for the Holidays. It's time to head home for the holidays.
Airport information, Mike. Wind at 320 degrees at 6, temperature 53, altimeter 3000. ILS approach runway 26 left, lower vector to the traffic pattern in use, landing runways, runway 26 left for large aircraft, and runway 26 right for light aircraft, tower frequency.
I found Kyrie here in the airport, and we are ready to head home. Many people are heading home for the holidays. Now that Kyrie and I are home, we will help others arrive home safely. Here at the train station, Kyrie and I are assisting passengers with their tickets, luggage, and check-in protocols. Here at the airport, Kyrie and I have been given special permission to assist passengers with checking in for their flight. Mr. Wilson is on his way to the airport. Mr. Wilson has a flight to Denver. Currently, all flights are departing and arriving on time. Mr. Wilson has just checked in his luggage and is hoping that his flight to Denver leaves at its scheduled time. Oh, Mr. Wilson is upset because his flight has just been delayed.
This is Stapleton Airport information, Mike. Wind at 320 degrees at 6, temperature 53, altimeter 3000. ILS approach runway 26 left. More vector to the traffic pattern in use. Landing runways, runway 26 left for large aircraft.
Mr. Wilson is now on his way to Denver. He is also the first person to board his flight. Mr. Jacobs is driving home for Christmas. Everyone is home for Christmas.
There's mine? No. Oh, let's let Lori just sit down. There's garbage.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Next to Grandpa? Yeah.
Kyrie and I are helping Mr. Wu with his Christmas decorations. This family is enjoying their Christmas together. Everyone made it home for the holiday. Cousins and friends are together for sledding fun. Merry Christmas! Kyrie and I hope you enjoy being home for the holidays.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho!